I like Period. I want you to do me a favor. Tell your friends, tell all your friends.
Hey guys, don't you just hate it when you filmed a really great video and then you go home and you go through the footage and you notice that uh, you notice that you're done texting? Thank you. Where was I? Well, don't you just hate it if you filmed a really amazing video and then you go through your footage and you notice that you notice that. Well, then you notice that you have some really irritating noise on your audio track? This has happened to me quite a number of times, especially with mobile phones receiving messages even while on silence, or different hums and buzzes in the background that you may not notice while you're shooting.
Selena Gomez gets cozy with old flame for the third time since split with The Weeknd. Selena Gomez got close with ex Justin Bieber for the third time since she broke up with The Weeknd. She leaned on Justin's shoulder as the pair left a cafe in Los Angeles.
Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Here is some room tone. In today's review, we're going to be testing the Nikon D500 as it compares to the Fuji X-T2.